How to download YouTube thumbnails on PC. Downloading YouTube thumbnails can be useful for various reasons, whether you're creating content or just want to save a thumbnail that caught your eye. If you're looking to download YouTube thumbnails on your PC, here's a straightforward guide to help you do just that. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Find the video whose thumbnail you want to download. Once you've located the video, click on it to open the video page. The key to downloading the thumbnail lies in the video's URL, so go ahead and copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Next, you'll need to extract the thumbnail using a thumbnail downloader. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a YouTube thumbnail downloader. There are several free tools available online that allow you to download thumbnails by simply pasting the video URL. Choose a reputable site, and when it opens, paste the copied URL into the provided field. Then, click the download button or a similar option that the site provides. The tool will display different sizes of the thumbnail, typically ranging from standard resolution to high resolution. Choose the resolution that best suits your needs and click on the download link next to it. Your thumbnail will now be saved to your PC. For those who prefer to manually download thumbnails without using a tool, there's another method. In the YouTube video URL you copied earlier, look for the part of the URL that contains the video ID, the unique string of characters after V equals. Use this ID and replace it in the following link template. Replace video ID with the actual ID from the URL. Paste this new link into your browser, and you'll be taken directly to the high-resolution thumbnail image, which you can then right-click and save to your computer. Following these steps, you can easily download any YouTube thumbnail on your PC, ensuring you have the images you need for your projects or personal collection.